Welcome to Delft Stack. Today, I will show you how to fix error code 0x80072efd in Windows 10 using simple steps. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a website on your computer. If it does not load, test your connection using another device like a mobile phone or another laptop. If the internet is not working, fix that first before continuing. Next, check your Wi-Fi adapter driver. Go to this PC, right-click on it and select Properties. Then open Device Manager. Find Network Adapters and expand it. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it and select Properties. Under Device Status, make sure it says the device is working properly. If not, you may need to update or reinstall the driver. After that, configure your network settings. Right-click on the Internet icon in the taskbar and select Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active Internet connection. Then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties again. Make sure both options are set to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK and close all windows. Thanks for watching.